Hey friends, it's Beth from Kindle Blessings. Let's make a cute little riser. I made the lantern today and I decided that it needed something to set on. So I decided to make a riser. I've already painted it white and then I've cut my paper for this and we're putting some Mod Podge on here now. The crepe paper that I'm going to be using, or not crepe paper, but it's a tissue paper I'm going to be using for this. Lisa Seiler sent it to me during our little mystery box challenge. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to use for legs on this thing, you guys, but I finally figured it out. We're going to use corks. Anyway, we put the Mod Podge on there. I let it dry, and then I went back and I ironed on my tissue paper. Now I'm sanding it all off, and I'm trying to figure out what color I want to go around it. There's a little bit of this color in this, and I'm hoping this color will draw out what is in this paper. So we're going to do the legs in this aqua color. It's actually called Blue Java Banana, I believe. And we're going to go around, all the way around it with some Would You Bend, you guys. I decided I wanted to trim it out in Would You Bend. So I'm putting my Would You Bend on there and just make sure it's good and secure. Going to heat it up again and press down like I always do. And then we're going to paint all the way around to paint all this Would You Bend. Y'all, I can't talk today. Words are hard today. Anyway, we're going to paint all the Would You Bend with this Blue Java Banana all the way around. And you guys, this is so pretty. It turned out so neat. I really like this. It's different. It's bright. It's just, I love it. I love it. I hope you do as well. It's something different, like I said. I'm going to be painting the bottom of this. I painted it white to begin with, but then I decided I like this color better, so we're going to add this color to the bottom of it and make it look more finished than just that white coat of paint. And look how beautiful that paint is, you guys. It doesn't get any prettier. It does not get any prettier. Anyway, then I decided to put my feet on the bottom. You guys, these are corks, and I am putting a gold coat on the bottom of them just to give it a little accent of color. And then I thought to myself, once I'd done that and got the gold on, I thought, well, first of all, I went ahead and put all my feet on. And then I thought to myself, maybe I need to paint the bottom of the feet. Once I got that done, then I thought I would put some gold on my trim just to add that little bit of color that it needed. And it worked out so well because that gold goes with all those yellows and gold tones in it. It just looks really, really nice. You guys, I am so proud of this one. I think it turned out really super cute. And when I picked it up, I seen that there was some wrinkles on it still. So I went back, got my iron, my Teflon sheet, and I decided to iron some more. And we got all of those out. Now I'm going to add me some Posh Pigment Infuser for that top coat. And we're going to just dry it really, really good. Look how cute this is, you guys. I love it. And we put our lantern on it. And look how precious. You guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do me a favor. Spread those blessings. Talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.